Looking for real passive income ideas that actually work in 2025? In this video, I'm sharing practical, proven, and beginner-friendly ways you can start earning extra money, even while you sleep. These methods work no matter where you live or work, and they're accessible to everyday people with zero background in finance. Stick around, because idea number 3 is something 99% of people completely overlook. But it's one of the most profitable if you set it up right. Let's start with a classic, dividend investing. This is where you buy shares in companies that pay you regular income just for holding the stock. It's like getting paid rent, but from businesses. Think of companies like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, or even banks like HSBC. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, Trading 212, or Wealthsimple to get started with as little as $10. Reinvest your dividends and let compounding do the magic. Digital products are exploding in 2025. This includes ebooks, Notion templates, printable planners, and video courses. They cost little to create but can be sold unlimited times. Whether you're good at budgeting, productivity, or design, there's a market for you. Use Etsy for planners, Gumroad or Payhip for ebooks, and Teachable or Udemy for courses. Thousands are earning monthly income by solving everyday problems with a simple digital product. Here's an underutilized strategy: pairing high-yield savings accounts with cashback apps. Banks like SoFi, Discover, Chase, EQ Bank, and Monzo offer savings rates over 4%. Combine that with cashback tools like Rakuten, Honey, or TopCashback to earn money while doing your everyday shopping, groceries, travel, tech. You name it. Set it up once, and your money starts working harder without extra effort. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest-growing income streams in 2025. You share products or services you already use, like your budgeting app, your favorite finance YouTuber's book, or your go-to crypto exchange. When someone signs up using your referral link, you earn a commission. This works well with social media, blogs, or even email newsletters. Sites like Impact, Share a Sale, and Partner Stack connect you with brands. Print on demand, or POD, is perfect if you're creative. You upload a design once, and platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. You can make niche merch like fitness gear, funny quotes, or local pride designs. All you need is Canva or Photoshop and a little creativity. Yes, YouTube can still be passive. With YouTube automation, you don't even have to show your face. You script videos, hire voiceovers, and use stock footage. Channels like this earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Topics like finance, productivity, and tech reviews work great. You can start with AI tools like ChatGPT and ElevenLabs, or use Fiverr to build a content team. Which of these ideas will you try first? Comment #PassiveWins below so I know you're serious. Like this video if you found value, and hit that subscribe button for weekly tips to grow your money smarter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.